Article 11, justifying circumstances. Number 1, anyone who acts in the defense of a person of rights and provided that the following circumstances occur: first, unlawful agreement, and second, reasonable necessity of the means employed the person defending himself, and number 2, anyone who acts person of rights of his spouse and descendants or legitimate natural or adopted brothers or sisters, and relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first within the fourth civil degree, and further requisite in case the provocation was given by the person attacked, and that the one making defense had no part therein, and number 3, and justifying circumstances, anyone who acts the defense of person or rights of a stranger provided that first and second requisites motivated in the environment of this article are that the person defending not induced by revenge or other evil motive, and number 4, and justifying circumstances, any person who avoid an evil or injury does an act which causes damage to another, provided that the following present, and number 5, and the second is that the injury referred be greater than to avoid it, and third that there be no other practical and harmful avoid it, and third is Um, Number five of justifying circumstances. Um, any person who acts who acts any person who acts fulfillment of a duty, the means of preventing it. And number six of justifying circumstances, Article 11. Any person who acts in the obedience to an order or order or is, issued superior for superior for right of office.